Students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again, welcome back to your class, Ravi Sarji Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our previous video lecture, we have learned about the compositions of functions. Students, in our today video lessons, we are going to learn about binary operation of a function. Students, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon of your channel. Okay students, let us see over here the definition of binary operation. A binary operation is star. What is a binary operation? This star is known as binary operation on two element A and B. On two element A and B of a set A. Of a set A is a function. What is a function? Keep it in mind, students. Star on two element A and B of a set A is a function. Function means this is binary operation. A cross A is to A. Defined over, this is defined over A cross A is to A, and it is denoted by A star B. So students, here has been some properties of binary operation. Commutative property. Binary operation may be commutative property for all A comma B belongs to A and A star B is equal to B star A. Then associative property, if three element A, B, C belongs to A star B star with C, A star B star C. Here star is, students, binary operation. Identity for all A comma E is what? Identity element for belongs to A. Then A binary operation with E is equal to E star A is equal to A. And invertible, the operation is binary operation is invertible in any function if A star B is equal to E and B star A is equal to E. Students, here we will check that the given operation which is defined over n to n. This operation is defined over natural number to natural number, and it is expressed as A star B is equal to A plus B by 2 for all A comma B belongs to n. Students, here we will check that the given binary operation is commutative, associative, identity or invertible. Right students, let us check these things. Okay. Here students, you can see that the element A comma B belongs to what? N. So consider, what is? Consider let A is equal to 2, which is belongs to natural number, and B is equal to 3, it is also belongs to natural number. Right students? So first of all, according to A star B, we will write what? 2 star 3. So according to A star B, what we are getting? A plus B by 2. So we will get what? 2 plus 3 by 2. So what we will get? 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. Similarly, we will find out B star A. What is B star A? So 3 star. So according to this one, A star B is equal to A plus B by 2. So what will be B star A? We will get what? B plus A by 2. Right students? So in place of B, writing 3, in place of A, writing 2. So 3 star 2. According to this expression, A star B is equal to A plus B by 2. So we converted, in place of A we are writing B, in place of B we are writing A. So there will be 3 plus 2 by 2, again we are getting 5 by 2. So students, here you can see that A star B is equal to 5 by 2 and B star A is equal to 5 by 2. So here we can write what? 2 star 3 is equal to 3 star 2. So it follows what? Commutative. It follows commutative. So the given expression is commutative. Right students? Now we will check that the given expression is binary operation is associative or not. So again, according to this one, A comma B belongs to n. Suppose A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and third element C is equal to 4. All these are belongs to natural number, right students? So we know that A star B is what? Associative property. We know that associative property is what? A star B. What is A star B star C, right? So we know that A star B is equal to A plus B by 2. So here we can write A plus B by 2 star with C. Now again applying this property for this expression A star B, A plus B. So we will write what? A plus B plus C by what? 2. This is what? A. What? This is A and this is in B. So divide by 2. Right students? So we can write these things. A plus B plus 2C, 2 into 2, 4. Right? Now putting the value of A, B, C over here. A is 2, B is what? 3, 2, C is what? 4 by 4. So 2, 5, 2 into 4, 8 by 4. We are getting 13 by 4. Now students, we will check that A star B star C. So A starred with B star C. So according to these things we can write what? A plus B. Here we can write what? B star C by 2 according to this expression, right student? Now following the next step, A plus, now B star C can be written as B plus C by 2, B plus C by 2, right? And here it is divide by 2. Now simplifying, what we are getting? 2A B plus C, 2 into 2, 4. Now substituting the value of A, B and C. A, B and C. So 2, A is 2, B is 3, C is 4 by 4. So 4 plus 3 plus 4 by 4. So 4, 4, 8 and 3, 11. So 11 by 4. So students, this expression is not associative. So here we can write what? Not associative, because A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Okay. Now we will check that this is identity or not. This is identity or not. A star E is equal to E star A, right? So let us consider A is equal to 2, which is belongs to natural number, which belongs to natural number. So A star E. So according to this expression A star B, so we write A plus B by 2. So here we can write A plus E by 2. So in place of what? A, we can write 2 plus E by 2. Similarly E star A, so E plus A by 2, so E plus 2 by 2. So students, all are equal. So here we can write A star E is equal to E star A. So this operation is identity. This operation is identity. Now we will check that invertible. What we will check? That invertible. A star B is equal to E is equal to B star A. Now let us consider A is equal to what? 2 and B is equal to 3, right student? So according to this expression A star B, we are getting A plus B by 2, so there will be 2 plus 3 by 2, 5 by 2. So and B star A, so B plus A by 2 means 3 plus 2 by 2, again 5 by 2. Right students, we are not getting E over here, so you can write that A star B does not is equal to E, this is not is equal to B star A. So the given expression is not invertible. This binary operation is not invertible. Students, all these properties, commutative property, associative identity and invertible, depends on the operation to operation. It is depend upon which kinds of operation was done, right? So it is not necessary that in any given operations all these properties followed. Okay students, so we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you so much.